A wise person once told that if you want to know the future of India or a country, that then you should study the behavior and the behavior of the youth. I am Naman CHOKSHI, and today I am going to say on the topic youth activism driving political and social change. Youth. It itself a big word that gives a sense of responsibility in ourselves. Youth activists had led to a positive shift in political participation and activism. The young activists have lead roles in public issues and advocacy, and issues like rape, gun violence, terrorism, climate change. Technology has become the backbone many modern youth movements. It has been shown in multiple studies that seeking information online is shown to have positive impacts on political engagements. Popular applications like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook are the tools of youth. These applications have helped youth to spread their messages, convey news. It is also said that news spreads like fire on social media platforms. Youth brings fresh perspective to the table. Most critically, USIP research, United States Institute of Peace, show that youth participation helps movement win. Movements with excessive youth participation are more likely to succeed than movements with less youth participation. So it says that if a youth participates, it brings fresh and innovative ideas. It brings creative ideas to the surroundings, and it helps to bring a positive change also. Young activists have driven tactical innovation in digital spaces, often offer creative fuel for civic culture in political movements and crucial movements. The youth is not only a future, they are the molding clay, or they are the craftsmen that they shape the world. So I conclude that we should be responsible to our surroundings and we should be a healthy youth. Thank you.